I am Gordon. I am fastest and best, and I pull the express.
Didn't like pulling heavy goods trains, but he especially didn't like pulling them up the big hill on the main line.
I give up.
What's he up to now? Come on, Gordon. You're not even trying.
Ah, I can't do it. Those noisy trucks hold an engine back. If they were coaches, now that would be different.
Hello? Hello?
The man in charge of the little railway was Sir Topham Hatt,
I see.
but the engines used to call him the Fat Controller. It was his job to make sure all the trains ran on time.
Oh, dear. Okay. Goodbye. Hello, Edward. I'm afraid Gordon needs your help.
My help, sir? Are you sure?
Yes. He can't get up the hill with his goods trucks, apparently.
Okay, sir. I'm on my way. Hello, Gordon. I've come to push.
Ha! No use at all. A small engine like you.
Oh, please, Gordon. Try.
All right, all right. I can't do it.
I will do it.
I can't do it.
I will do it.
I can't do it.
I will do it.
I've done it. I've done it. I've done it. I knew I could do it.
Not even so much as a thank you.
It may be a sunny day, matey, but if Cranky gets any crankier, I see dark clouds on the horizon.
Come on, Cranky. Cranky, look at this mess. What is going on here? Oh! That's it, Cranky. I'm getting another crane to come and help you clean up this dockside. Speed up, Thomas. Speed up. I don't want to get stuck again.
But Thomas didn't speed up. He went slower and slower until...
No! I I'm stuck again.
Hello, Gordon. Have you given up following Thomas already?
Thomas tricked me, Edward. He went too slow.
Oh, dear. But I must say, you don't seem very reliable. Always getting stuck on your own hill.
Wait, Edward! You need to give me a push.
Oh, but I didn't think you needed any help from me. After all, I'm so old and unreliable.
But I do need your help. I promised not to call you old or unreliable anymore. Please.
Okay, Gordon. I think you've learned your lesson now. And what do you say?
Oh, the indignity.
Sorry?
I mean, thank you. Thank you, Edward.
You're welcome, Gordon. Any time. They're even going to write about me in a book and show me off in moving pictures on the television, too.
Oh, the indignity. Gordon, have you got your, brakes on? Maybe.
Liar!
Hurry up, slow coach. The real express is trying to get past.
But I'm going as fast as I can.
Well, I can't wait all day for you.
So Gordon puffed right up behind Stephen and gave him a push.
Gordon, what are you doing?
Rocket!
Whoa! Careful! I'm an antique, you know!
And when they got to the castle junction, Gordon slowed down so Stephen could change tracks.
Now that's how an express goes.
And then the ghost train rattled over the bridge, waking up everyone with its spooky whistle. Ooh, ooh. And that's when I saw the ghost train. Pulling the mail train is a job for a small engine like Percy, not a splendid tender engine like me. It's okay, Thomas. I don't mind pulling the mail train.
If you're really not afraid, James, perhaps you'd like to prove it tonight by pulling the Flying Kipper for me.
All right, Henry. I shall. I'm not afraid of a few fish.
The turntable only pointed to one berth, so only one engine could go into the shed.
I should sleep in the shed. It wouldn't be right for me to sleep out in the snow.
I don't want to sleep out in the snow either, Gordon. Snow and ice are not kind to my paintwork.
Gordon, there's an empty shed at Whiff's waste dump.
I am not sleeping at a smelly waste dump. It's simply out of the question.
Hello, Big Engine. I'm Philip. Can I get you some trucks to pull?
Trucks? Ha! I don't think so.
Well, I'm only trying to be helpful.
If you want to be helpful, then I suggest you do your best not to get in my way.
Don't worry.
No.
I won't.
I want you all to be on your very best behavior today. A VIP is coming to the island.
What's a VIP?
And this VIP is a deputy minister who's presenting me with an award for services to transport.
Well done, sir.
Perhaps you would like me to collect this minister, sir? I'm sorry, Gordon, but Spencer is already bringing him. Spencer? Oh, I might have known.
Duncan's grumpy passenger complained almost as much as Duncan did. He complained if Duncan was running late. And he complained when the coaches were too full. He complained when Duncan went too slow.
Come on! What's the hold-up?
And he complained when Duncan went too fast.
Too fast. I'm ticking right now. It's everywhere.
At last, the supplies for the cafeteria.
The men worked to unload bread and butter and cheese.
Let's not forget the milk.
But when the Fat Controller opened the door to the milk truck, the milk poured out.
Oh no, my trousers! I hope you will be more careful on your next job, hero.
Yes, sir. I will, sir.
And it looks like my next job will be to get my trousers cleaned.
Hero stopped so suddenly. 3 big barrels of cream flew into the air.
Not again!
And splattered all over the Fat Controller. And Edward. And Hero.
My trousers!
Oh, no.
The Fat Controller was covered in cream. He was very cross indeed.
Hero, you have caused confusion and delay, and terrible trouble to my trousers.
Don't take me away from the sea, boys! Don't take me away from the sea! All shipshape and seaworthy, Cranky. Must be a barnacle trapped in the exhaust.
Sounds like you need to go to the diesel works, Salty.
Oh, no thank you, Thomas. There's nothing wrong with me that a bit of fresh sea air won't sort out.
Thomas is right. You should go to the diesel works. They'll tell you what's wrong with you.
And you and Harvey are to collect trackside scrap until Scruff is repaired. So door must be kept clean and tidy at all times.
Samson, the main line's the other way.
Knew that, Harvey.
Huh? Hey, that's my bike! Wait! Bring my bike back!
Well, that's funny. I'm sure there was a bus stop sign here. Samson, wait! That's my sign!
Follow that train!
Meanwhile, the Fat Controller was out and about doing his daily rounds in his car.
Oh, bother! A flat tyre.
The driver looked for the spare tyre to fix it, but it wasn't there. And then the Fat Controller remembered.
Oh, bother! Mother made me take it out to fit more suitcases when we took her on holiday.
So the Fat Controller and his driver set off to look for a spare tyre.
Oh dear! Are private engines scared of a bit of snow?
Can I go back to the mainland now, sir?
I'm afraid not, Spencer. The bridge is still blocked. But the Duke has agreed that you can help Henry.
Oh, but...
Must dash. I'm taking Mother for lunch.
But I'm a Duke's engine!
And you're helping me.
Why do you need me to help? Are you frightened we'll meet up with
Abominable snowman? Ah, the abominable snowman? Where?
Oh, Henry, I haven't seen him yet.
But then there was trouble.
Oh, botheration. What to do now? Oh, Emily!
Meanwhile, the Fat Controller wasn't having much luck.
Oh, huh? Henry and Spencer! Henry! Spencer!
Oh.
Did you hear that? The abominable snowman is here! Oh, it's here right now! Ah!
Oh, bother that telephone. Excuse me.
Well, I, for one, will miss him when he goes.
So will I. Even though he does get very cross sometimes.
Gordon? Oh, it's rather early for the express. Your passengers haven't even begun to arrive. James? Thomas? What's going on? Is my watch wrong? Or is there some confusion with the timetable?
Oh, no, sir.
No, there's no confusion, sir.
And there won't be any delays either.
I see. Well, you'll all have to wait a while for your passengers.
That's all right.
We don't mind waiting, sir.
We're just doing our best to make this a very, very good railway.
Right, I'd better double-check the schedule. Now, could someone please explain the meaning of this outrage?
This strike was my idea, sir.
Without you, the railway just wouldn't be the same.
But...
We don't want you to leave Sodor, sir.
But I'm not leaving Sodor. I'm not going anywhere.
But Percy saw the men clearing your office. They were taking everything away.
Even your telephone.
That's because my office is being redecorated.
No!
That's right. I'll have to work in a temporary office until they finish repainting and decorating.
Redecorating?
So that's what's going on.
I'm not just a container, you know, Salty. I'm an engine. I like to be busy.
But you must be at the ready were your ship to come in. Ha!
Hello! Not again.
Hurry up, lazy bones, or you'll be late to pull the express.
I'm not ready, Thomas. You'll just have to tell the Fat Controller. My firebox needs cleaning.
Your firebox? Why didn't you have it cleaned out last night?
No, I was too tired.
Well, don't be surprised if the Fat Controller asks somebody else to pull the express today.
Ha! Nonsense! Who would he ask?
Henry's pulled it before.
Well, he'd hardly manage it now. No offense, Henry, but it's very difficult. You have to know all the stops, keep control at high speed. It isn't a job just any old engine can do.
Ignore him, Henry. Gordon just likes to think he's special. Good morning, sir. Gordon asked me to tell you that he's going to be late because he's having his firebox cleaned out.
His firebox? Now?
I know, sir. I did say you might need someone else to take the express. I thought of Henry, But Gordon doesn't think he can do it.
Of course Henry can take the express. Splendid idea, Thomas.
Do you really think I should, sir?
Definitely, Henry. And it'll teach Gordon a lesson too.
A goods train! A goods train! Oh, the shame.
Ahoy there, Gordon. What are you doing here?
Henry is pulling the express today, so I'm stuck doing his jobs.
Express coming through!
But that's my line!
Hi, Gordon! Bye, Gordon!
Ha! Thomas, I've just had some news. There's to be an inspection of Soldor's Railway tomorrow, and the inspection team will want to look at everything.
Oh, sir, if we're to be inspected, we'll need cleaning.
Indeed, my passengers have left all kinds of things behind. Again.
Mine too. Look.
Well then, we'd better take them to lost property. Let's see what we have here now. Oh, very nice. Oh, goodness me. Somebody must be missing these. Hopefully, the Lost Property Office will be able to find out to whom they belong. Oh, and what's this? Oh, this looks like fun. Oh, right, Thomas. You'd better take Annie and Clarabelle to the washdown. I want you all cleaned and ready for tomorrow's inspection.
Yes, sir.
No! Oh! Now, young man. Apologise at once.
Sorry.
Why, you...
Oh, cheeky little monkeys.
Oh, that really is it, young man. No, not the emergency cable. High spirits. They're not usually like this. It must be the sunshine.
Sir, I have to speak to you right away.
Oh, you don't really have to call me sir, Thomas.
I wasn't talking to you, Gordon.
Those things are fun. May I? Great fun. Oh, not again.